Remember, say 18-year-old nephew. You make him man them ram him out, poor little boy. Why they not change him name? I go find him blood clad picture. I'm going to run you up on the mad to you.
For the culture.
For the culture.
Exactly, for the culture. Out of many one people.
For the culture. For the culture. For the culture.
For the culture. Play the no, play the song.
Welcome back to another video, guys. I don't know, say, so now I wonder where was I? You know, but I come back with a new snippet of videos, you see me? Today, we have RT Boss, I get it, Ziggy done on Shauna, yeah, controller. Deal with RT Boss, an idea, yeah. Isn't it how we have Kyng Tavii come out, yeah? It all say out there, nah, did him good. So, you don't know. I'm gonna see what happened. First, we are jumping in. Shauna controller, RT Boss video.
If you run me from Jamaica, Ghana, Panama, Ghana, blood clot work. I'm just thinking, man. Remember, say we know your file. I true me not talk. But the other time, you want to come for me, you could come because you know you have to come friend me. Because you know me talk your business. Dirty RT. Remember, say 18-year-old nephew. You make him man them ram him out, poor little boy. Why they not change him name? I go find him blood clad picture. I'm going to run you up on the mad to you make the boy them ram out the little boy bottom. Over Spanish Town in your house.
You and I, my friend, right now. You and I, if you take him down in my cut leave, you know, in a different world now.
Ziggy, where you go?
What
you say, Ziggy? What you say?
Right now, at this you want here. Try and have him file.
Me no want hear no.
Shauna sit down, man.
Shauna.
Right now, I can't do that right now. One bag of baticity right now. Diamond burn them over there. Diamond burn them over there. Right, come.
And then we have Ziggy a DVD. Over Ziggy like the boy come over there say a bag of thing and Ziggy DVD. Me see me, I could see no how can.
Bro, I actually never know, brother. You hurt your feelings. You sick with stomach, RT Boss. You spoil your appetite. RT Boss in a healthy way. RT Boss in a healthy way. Dirty body man RT Boss in a healthy way. Bumbo clock. Name front RT Boss in a healthy way. Batty boy RT Boss. We call him cartel name Low Life. Batty pussy name front. Low Life. Lick out about RT Boss. Name out about RT Boss. Son, catch your ears. Batty pussy boy RT Boss. Name out about batty boy. Come down peacefully. Come down in a God's name. RT Boss. Remember you fuck your family dog. You fuck the little boy. Traumatize the little boy RT Boss. Make the little boy go on a bumbo class small and go and live. You fuck your family and send him home. Make the little boy. Hey, wicked, hey, pussy RT Boss, anyway at all. Anyway, low life. Anyway, low. Batty boy RT Boss, they come and call up diamond name, Batty boy. Pussy or somebody. Pussy, the voice cartel said, diamond. Need your vagina. Fat pussy girl. The man knows I said, Batty man. But suck your mother. So diamond look good. And so diamond look, so really love diamond. Batty boy. Batty pussy boy RT Boss, never out your mother. Look out about RT Boss. Name front RT Boss and name out a batty. Cause you're a batty man. You want dirty batty man. You want low life, dirty batty man RT Boss. Pussy boy over yourself like you can't come over here batty man. Name out some other pussy.
Take him look.
Bro, from there I tell me. Alright, show me a ring off him head.
Right, Joe.
Come down low life. Batty pussy boy RT Boss. Look out your mother.
See what go on, people. Yeah, alright. I jump in a King of Comedy with you now. Isn't me? Kyng Tavii said them nah no respect say leave with them.
Need some monitoring spirit. We need some monitoring spirit. Me I say man in and none of no found in a heal me and I be a people over here so. Man, go in here, man. Go in here. You go fuck on yourself here, man. You suck on yourself when you no fuckery morning. Not a good morning for you, no. Fuck her, no. You know, laugh. You laugh, pussy drug dealer. You there, sir. Watch me. You not even heal me, a pussy. Lady and big up, Wagwan. Rema, Wagwan, my G. Where you did, Rema? I'm in a life for the dog, bro. That's why I'm rather YouTube than over this pussy clot app, you know. That's why I'm ever telling for a suck on the mother over here, so, you know. Because what kind of dirty style this? What the fuck you not watch me for? If me a yell, you know, I only not yell me. Eh? As me click like on YouTube, the people that might yell me and I chat to me about something, bro. What the fuck you know over here so far? What on the purpose? Why your fucking purpose? Ramping my bumper clot, you know. Yo, no, tell me no good morning anymore. When I move on the blood clot, man, I don't hear no good morning. No, I hear nothing. Bumbo clot, a J judge me a deal with, bro. Where you deal, my killer? Rema me a deal with. Where you deal, Rema? I looking at my blood clot face every time I fall up on TikTok. What I look for? What I look pan? No found not even top up the blood class screen and them thing there. I black on one, I black on one by one. I don't have a problem for black on one by one because no mean nothing to me over here, so you know. Minute to now looking at my face and monitoring blood class spirit. I open and monitor the greatness where me I produce too. I open and monitor that too. Monitor the fucking greatness and monitor the facts that I'm still there. I live. That's how I walk. Yes, I got through something spark. I rate my followers them. I rate them. But I don't rate the pussy them were just there, so looking at my face, bro, and I follow my page. I go through my blood clot thing here, so I go. And I see a whole heap of people here, so. When I follow my page, just there, just watch me, bro. I tell you good morning. What do you want me to do? For tell me for just suck on the motherfucker for actually talk to me. At that, I say good morning about 50 blood clot time and 3 people alone blood clot answer me. I should have tell them for a suck on the mother, don't. I could try again. Good morning. Good morning everyone. And this is me being fucking polite. I'm not have to tell no morning, pussy. Good morning everyone. Good morning Sarah. Good morning, dangerous youth. Such man, good morning. Good morning. See it there? See it there when I have some blood clot, man, as you want to see me now, man. Every time I fall up on live, I'm going to say morning, and then I say nothing to me. I feel tell them for a suck on no mother then. Good morning. I feel good now. I feel like a good morning now. Yeah, man. It's a good morning.